Good morning, students. Today we are going to complete our next topic, that is simple pendulum. So yesterday you have written few questions, and keep in mind whenever you are going to explain anything, or you are going to define, please try to give examples of those also. Okay, so we'll start with the simple pendulum. The simple pendulum is, you can see here there is a figure given over here, that is a simple pendulum, means a bob which is suspended. This is a bob which is suspended from a fixed point. This is the fixed point within, this is the fixed point, and it has been suspended by a string. Okay, and the rest position, the particular position at which the bob is on rest, this will be called as the mean position or rest position. Mean position or rest position, these are the two names given to this. Okay, if the bob is pushed gently, you're going to push it, okay, what will happen? It is going to start swinging. Okay, so it will move to this side, okay, and again it will return back and move to this side. Okay, so these positions are called as extreme positions, both sides. Okay, on both sides these positions will be called as extreme positions. Okay, now there are two different terms, that is oscillation and time period. What do you mean by these things? So oscillation means, suppose the bob starts moving from here, from the mean position. So when start from the mean position, go to extreme, then return to this side of extreme, and again comes to the mean position, then this particular swing, the total swing will be called as one oscillation, and the time taken to do so, to complete this oscillation, will be called as the time period. Okay, so if you want to calculate the average time, then you have to measure the time of taken for multiple oscillations. Okay, so this was something about the simple pendulum, and there is I wish I knew is given over here. You have to go through it. I'm also sending a supportive video of a YouTube also, so you go through this and complete your checkpoint.